Steeped and Starched is not your everyday dry cleaning business. Owner Melinda Lynn also has on hand in the store specialty teas, accessories, a few soaps, lotions, all Oklahoma made.
And I make my own bath teas. We also have some shower steamers that another local lady makes. And then the gym is my salt therapy booth. And you can Google Halo Therapy. It's a super fine dry mist of medical grade sea salt. You do 15-minute or 30-minute sessions. It's antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory.
You heard correctly. One can pick up their dry cleaning and then they too can go through a personal cleansing of sorts by way of using this salt therapy booth. Now, many people know about the benefits of salt lamps. In other countries, people will use salt caves where they can spend the night. This booth, though, is a little more intense since it is flowing and circulating.
Well, if you're going to do a 15-minute session, if you feel pretty good, but maybe your allergies are bothering you, you can come and just sit in 15 minutes. It's going now. You can sort of hear it in the background, but it's not loud. In there, it's a little bit louder, but it's very soothing. And it circulates this powdery salt and it gets into the lower chambers of your lungs. It helps clean out your sinuses, helps rid toxins, and you can breathe better. You might sneeze, you might cough, you might blow your nose while you're in there, and it's just ridding that while you're in there. That's happening, and then probably for an hour or two after you come out, that may continue, and then you're going to see the most benefit in about 8 to 12 hours.
Melinda has always taken a more natural, holistic approach when it comes to diet and health. She even makes her own bath teas, which you can buy in the store.
A bath tea is sort of one of those natural things. It's in a muslin bag, so it doesn't make your bath all yucky. You don't have to spend an hour cleaning your bathtub after you've all relaxed in it. I have different ones. I have a relaxing one, which I can show you later, and it's lavender, dead sea salt, and Epsom salt. You tie it under the faucet when your bath is filling, and then you can toss it in your bath while you're soaking.
Now, in the store, you will also find black teas, green teas, herbal teas, all of which are made with all natural ingredients with no artificial flavorings whatsoever. And the soaps you buy here are all made in Yukon.
All the soaps contain Himalayan sea salt, which salt has many benefits. Many people don't know that salt is actually very moisturizing. It draws in moisture from the atmosphere and helps moisturize your skin. And there are 4 or 5 different types, basically scents. One can help with skin issues like rashes.
Melinda says the response from the community since opening her store has been incredibly positive.
This is not mainstream at all, and I'm trying to bring my hippie ways into Purcell. This is a great community. They've been surprisingly supportive.
Melinda has customers who now come in weekly to sit in the salt booth. For this lady, it was her first time to try it.
I've used Himalayan sea salt before, but I've never been in a salt booth, and it was very relaxing. I think that you can tell when the salt comes in because you have kind of a little bit of a smell of it, kind of a clean, not a fishy ocean, but of a clean ocean air kind of a smell. Relaxing.
Salt therapy has been around for hundreds of years. Come in and browse the healthy items Melinda has here, but try the salt booth for the ultimate healthy experience that's been used by thousands for many years.